Hey, good morning everybody. Just a quick update on the barn progress. Yesterday by evening time we got the one side of the roof panels all on. As you can see, we've got a rope up there. That pitch is close to a 812, 7.5, 812 pitch. Very difficult to work on. And as you can see, the runs of the panels, the metal panels are about 25 feet, so pretty tricky to get there without lifting them with a machine or whatever. We did it all by hand, and that's why we're a little slow getting it, just the one side done. We had a little hiccup on our metal that we ordered. We measured it once, we measured it twice, ordered it, went over the order with the supplier. They put everything into the system and they still got it wrong. So sometimes those things happen in the building industry, but yeah, so we're gonna try and get the other side of the A-frame done today, and then we'll get going on the soffits, fascia, and then all the trim, and then start putting the metal panels up. All right, we'll check back with you. Thank you.
We would greatly appreciate it if you would subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you!